If you're over 40 and you still start your morning with coffee, I want you to pause for just a second, because that one habit might be slowing down your metabolism and keeping you stuck in fat storing mode. Most people think coffee gives them energy and boosts fat burn, but after 40, your body reacts to caffeine very differently than it used to. Your cortisol levels, also known as the stress hormone, are already higher in the morning. When you drink coffee right after waking up, especially on an empty stomach, that caffeine spike pushes your cortisol even higher, leading to more belly fat storage, jittery energy, and a crash a few hours later. You might feel awake for a short while, but what's really happening is your body going into stress mode. Over time, this constant cortisol surge slows your metabolism, messes with your hunger hormones, and increases insulin resistance. That's why so many people over 40 feel like they're doing everything right, but still can't lose weight even when they eat clean. The good news? You don't need to give up your morning ritual. You just need to replace it with something that supports your metabolism instead of fighting it. The best coffee alternative for anyone over 40 is warm lemon and green tea with a pinch of cayenne pepper. Let me explain why this combination works so powerfully. Green tea contains EGCG, a natural compound that helps activate your body's fat-burning process, especially when combined with mild heat from cayenne pepper. That gentle thermogenic effect raises your internal temperature slightly, allowing your metabolism to stay active throughout the day. Meanwhile, lemon supports your liver and helps flush out toxins, which is essential because as we age, liver efficiency slows, making fat loss harder. When you combine these three, warm water, green tea, and a tiny pinch of cayenne, you're essentially priming your metabolism for the day. You get steady, calm energy without the caffeine crash, and your body starts burning stored fat instead of holding on to it. Here's how to make it. Brew 1 cup of green tea, squeeze in half a fresh lemon, and add just a pinch, not more than 1/8 teaspoon, of cayenne pepper. Stir it well and drink it about 20 minutes after waking up. You'll notice within a few days that your morning feels smoother, less bloating, more focus, and fewer sugar cravings. That's because your cortisol curve stays balanced, and your metabolism finally works with you, not against you. Some people also like to add a teaspoon of raw honey if they prefer a slightly sweeter taste, but that's optional. The key is consistency. Drink it every morning before breakfast for at least a week. This simple swap can have a bigger impact on your energy and fat loss than hours of exercise or calorie counting, especially after 40. Your body doesn't need more caffeine. It needs metabolic support and hormonal balance. And the best part? You'll still enjoy the comfort of a warm morning drink, just without the side effects that coffee brings. If you want to make this even more effective, I've added a link below to a high-quality organic matcha green tea that contains concentrated EGCG, which amplifies your fat-burning effect naturally. It's what I recommend to everyone who wants clean energy without the crash. Try it for 7 mornings straight and watch how your energy, focus, and waistline all start changing, naturally, gently, and without stress. Because after 40, the secret to burning fat faster isn't about doing more. It's about doing smarter.